Welcome back once more. This is KTN Business. Kenyans may have to prepare to pay more for basic goods and transport as the government plans to implement a 16% value-added tax on petroleum products. This will, however, not go unchallenged as the Workers' Umbrella Workers Body, the Central Organization of Trade Unions, Cotu, has opposed the National Treasury's proposed 16% VAT on fuel that is set to come into effect from September. Cotu has threatened to stage nationwide industrial demonstrations if the proposed tax is implemented. KTN's Abubakar Abdullahi now reports.
As since Parliament first passed the 16% value-added tax on petroleum products, motorists will now need to dig deeper into their pockets as the September implementation stares. The 16% VAT on fuel means Kenyans will have to pay for an extra 17 shillings for every litre, as Treasury pockets 17 billion shillings from the extra tax. But before the implementation comes to effect, the Central Organization of Trade Unions has opposed the move, saying it will have a direct effect on Kenyans.
Cotu Kenya cautions the government against this move in view of the possible repercussions that come with imposing a higher tax on fuel, as in the long run it will affect basic services and commodities in the country, and already the peace and the stability that has been witnessed in the transport sector.
A rise on the price of fuel is set to bite the transport sector and joins the list of electricity and other products whose prices have been increased. Kenyans could have to brace for tougher times ahead, with fuel costs projected to climb if the proposal goes unchallenged.
So the government should get out and look at the tax bracket and be able to collect taxes. But personally, and I think the stand of Cotu is that taxes must be paid, but it must be reasonable taxation.
The Umbrella Workers Body now says they will call for a nationwide workers' protest if the tax sails through. Abubakar Abdullahi for KTN Business.